So for the drain, we're going to use the corner brush. Hello everyone, and thank you for watching the video. Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of cleaning around the house, and so I've got this product here that I just bought. Thought I would try it out, and maybe we can make it a little bit easier today or more interesting, or maybe both. So let me show you that. What I'll be using today is the Hurricane Spin Scrubber by BulbHead. This is an 8.5 volt battery charged scrub unit. It has an extension handle and just a regular handle. That's the regular one right there. It has 3 brushes. Brushes are used for different situations. We have a dome brush, perfect all-around cleaning brush, and the flat brush, ideal for large jobs, lots of flat surface area. And then we have this corner brush. It says it's good for grout, corners, tight places. They're great for those. So here is that corner brush. Pretty stiff. Flat brush. Dome brush. Alright, here's the handle, the on-off button. This is not charged yet, so I'm going to be charging it for the first time. We have a cover here. We lift off. We can plug in our battery charger. Here's the battery charger. And over here we have the extension handle. Let me show you how to put the attachments on and how to put the 2 handles together. We'll start out with the main handle. Let's take our scrubber head assembly and we just line up 2 blue sections together. Push. It should just click just like that. To release it, push the button here. Pull apart. With the brush head assembly, see how it's kind of oblong here? Take the brush and just line that configuration together, push in place, and we're on there. Separate, just pull apart. With the flat brush on, we are at about 25 inches. Now we have the extension handle. Just by itself, it's about 21 inches. So if we incorporate this, we're talking about 25, 21, 46 inches in length. And let's go ahead and set that up. So when it comes to charging, I've never charged it, but instructions say that first charge should be about 20 hours. After that, 8 hours. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and charge it for the first time. To do that, make sure that it is in the off position. And we will just take the cord and plug it in right here. Our Hurricane Scrubber is now ready to use. It's charged for over 20 hours. Once it fully charges, the red light will stay on. It no longer blinks. It does get a little warm, but that is normal according to instructions. So let's grab one of our brush heads and do some cleaning. We're going to start here on this kitchen sink. We're going to use some Bang bathroom shower cleaner for this. We're just going to spray the sink really good if I can get the nozzle to work. And let this sit on here for 3 minutes, 3, 4, 5 minutes, something like that. In the meantime, we're going to grab one of our scrub brushes. I think I'll go with the dome brush here to begin with. So let's let that sit for a little while. As far as charging the Hurricane Scrubber, yeah, it took about 20 something hours. I was actually asleep, so when I woke up, No more red light blinking. It was a solid red light at that time. Instructions say that after that, 8 hours to charge. This battery is removable if you wanted to do that. You just take these screws out right here, and the battery should come out of this shaft. Also, instructions say that you cannot overcharge, so if you leave it in the charger, and it's fully charged, it's not going to do any damage to the battery from what the instructions say anyway. So here we go, first time using. Don't want to press. Just let the brush do most of the scrubbing by itself. Seems to be doing a good job. So for the drain, we're going to use the corner brush. All right, so it didn't take long at all. The instructions say not to use an abrasive cleaner, but with this sink here, as bad as it was, we're going to have to do that. So we're going to move on and come back to this one later. This is just a really poor example. You don't want your sink to get this bad to begin with. So let's move on. We'll come back to this one later. I have the extension handle in place, and I've got the flat brush. What I'm hoping to do is clean the vinyl siding that you see here, covering the fascia of our home. So the Hurricane Spin Scrubber did really well on this vinyl. I really got a bad area right here. Didn't have time to clean all that today, but I wanted to show you where we did clean. Right after that area right there was all cleaned, the scrubber, and really turned out nice. No getting on the ladder, having to hand scrub that. So yeah, I'm pretty pleased with the way that turned out. All right, here's another sink. Not quite as bad. See what we can do with it. hot water on there. Okay, beautiful job on this one here. Yeah, not bad. We're not bad at all here. That's it's actually pretty nice. All right, moving on to toilet bowl. With the toilet bowl, we're going to use the corner brush. Alright, so definitely limitations, and that's one of them right there. Never had to touch it though with my hands, didn't even wear gloves for that. I think the idea here is to keep your toilet, your sinks clean. Once they start getting a little bit dingy, dirty, you know, this would be a great tool for that. Alright, here we are again with the corner brush. We're going to try to get this sink here between the handles. I'm going to try to get some back here. Don't know how that's going to work, but we're going to give it a try. Can't really get back there. We need a smaller brush. Got the dome brush head on now. I really like this. Yeah, I don't think you're going to be able to get in there. Revisiting the first sink, kitchen sink, and when all else fails, we break out the barkeeper's friend. Okay, so try my best, not able to get whatever that is off of the sink. I don't know if that's just grease that's over the months where dishes have been sitting around and people haven't washed the dishes, have just absorbed into the sink itself. You know, this is that acrylic, so it's not metal, it's not porcelain or ceramic, so I'm going to have to give up on that for now anyway. So that'll be it for our trial of the Hurricane Spin Scrubber by BulbHead. All three of the brush heads are still very good. I didn't notice any bristles falling out. Matter of fact, I don't even think I could pull them out. Here's one strand straight over here, and yeah, still nice, kind of a medium hard or firm. So yeah, I think it works pretty well overall. Very good, actually. The thing is, I think this is going to be used personally for a maintenance cleaning device or tool. Not something that you want to let your toilets and sinks get as bad as what you saw earlier today. But to maintain a good cleaning, yeah, it's kind of interesting to actually clean with this. Kind of gives you a little motivation, I think. So thanks for watching. Until next time, have a nice day. Take care.